Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jimmy and this is my art life. So for today we're gonna take a look at the Artline STIX brush markers. I've seen Artline STIX brush markers being used on different social media platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and even YouTube. And from the moment I saw it, I knew I had to get one set for me. At the back of the packaging, it shows you all of the colors that the set has, and it also gives you ideas and suggestions on how you can use your brush pens. Whenever you buy a set of Artline sticks, it always comes with a freebie, so this time it's a bonus connector. We'll check it out later and see what's it for. It never fails. It always gives me the jitters whenever I open a package of new art materials. And there it is, the Artline STIX brush markers. Well, the tip is just a regular felt tip like most markers have, but it's shaped like a brush. Most brush pens, the more expensive ones. And in here, this reminds me of Legos. And well, it does connect just like Legos. So if you connect them and use it to write, then you're going to get two lines of different color. So if you connect more markers together, then you're going to get different effects and you'll create more lines in just one stroke. And you can even use this feature to play with the markers. So I really like that feature of the Artline sticks. And now let's check out the bonus connector and let's see what it can do. Oh, this is nice. So if I connect it this way, then I can use the pens just like a protractor so I can make perfect circles. I wonder what else we could do with this connector. Well, if ever you bought this set and you also have the same connector, please do share how else we can use this connector by leaving your comment down below. Alright, so let's take out our swatch charts and let's get to swatching. So while I'm swatching away, let me tell you about the things that I like about this Artline STIX brush markers. So the first thing is the shape of the pen. It's not cylindrical, it's triangular, so it rests very well in your hand and fingers, so it's easier to write using these pens. The felt tip writes smoothly and feels sturdy, but it still has a little bit of flexibility to it, so it's perfect for calligraphy. As for the ink, it's very juicy, so you're not gonna run out of ink anytime soon. So in here, as you can see, I blended the red and the yellow using just the brush pen itself, and then on the other side, I washed it with water using a brush pen. And it turned out very well. The yellow and blue blended into a bright green, so I really like how it turned out. Aside from the ink being bright and vivid, I like the fact that it is reactive to water, meaning if you brush it with water, it just melts right off and then you can push the color around, and this lets you create gradients and blending. Also take note that in here I used a watercolor paper. Sometimes the reactivity of inks or watercolors depend on the paper that you use. There are some types of paper that absorbs the pigments and doesn't release it anymore, so even if you brush it with water, the ink or pigment stays there. Alright, so now we have completed swatching, and let's take a closer look at our swatch chart. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for joining me in reviewing the Artline STIX brush markers. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again on our next project. Bye for now.